My dry scalp solution uses eco-friendly ingredients to nourish your hair and soothe your scalp. These include ingredients like argan oil and tea tree oil, and a shampoo, scalp treatment, and conditioner that use non-harmful ingredients to refresh and hydrate your hair and scalp. Hi there, I'm Marissa, and welcome to the Eco Connection. My mission is to empower you to lead a more self-sustainable life and make more eco-conscious choices. This is my third video in my natural hair care series videos where I share natural and eco-friendly hair care tips, products, and routines that I do. Today I'll be talking about how you can naturally treat your scalp using essential oils, and I'll also share some eco-friendly hair products for your hair wash days. I know that I'm not the only one that struggles with a dry scalp, and if you're using products that have harsh chemicals in it, it makes it even worse. So being more eco-conscious means that we treat our hair with love and care, and that starts with the products we use in our hair every day. I try to do a scalp treatment for my dry scalp at least once a week on a hair wash day. So before I shower, I take some argan oil and tea tree oil and apply it to my scalp. This blend of argan oil and tea tree oil is the best of both worlds, honestly. It nourishes your hair, so it's super hydrating, but it's also a refreshing cleanse to your scalp. And it covers a variety of scalp issues, so whether you're dealing with dryness, itchiness, or you just want to add a healthy glow to your hair, this natural blend is a great eco-friendly solution. So now that I've blended the argan oil and the tea tree oil in my hands, I'm going to start massaging my scalp. I just basically take my fingertips and just rub it all over my scalp from the top all the way to the very bottom. And usually there's a little bit of oil left over, so I just apply that to the rest of my hair, but you want to make sure you're focusing mainly on the scalp and using the leftover on your ends. And the massage is just as important as the product, so make sure you're taking your time to do this and getting every inch of your scalp. After I've done a thorough scalp massage, I just brush through my hair with my bamboo brush and let it sit for a while if I have time, and if not, then I just go ahead and hop in the shower. Now for in-shower care, I'm a big fan of Maui Moisture for shampoo and conditioner, especially this coconut one. It ranks highly on the Yuka app, which tells me that they limit their use of harmful ingredients, which is exactly what I'm looking for in my natural hair care. After I shampoo my hair twice, I'm going to go ahead and pull out my Scalp Revival cooling treatment. There is a bit of a price tag on this product, but I think it's so worth it. All you need to do is add some to your hand and spread it out all over your hand. Then gently massage it straight on your scalp. Once you apply it, you'll feel a cooling and hydrating effect on your hair. It's amazing. The texture is smooth and creamy, and it's super easy to apply to your scalp. Once you get the product on your scalp, let it sit for a few minutes before you rinse it out and condition your hair. And that's it. If you enjoyed this eco-friendly solution for dry scalps, show me some love, subscribe, and leave a comment with your experiences or questions.